Hello everyone, in this video we will do exercise 3.1 chapter 3 pair of linear equation in two variables class 10. So let's start with question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So now समझिए इस स्टेटमेंट को क्या गिवन है और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है। सबसे पहले आफ्ताब क्या कहता है अपनी बेटी से, आफ्ताब कहता है अपनी बेटी से 7 years ago 7 साल पहले आई वॉज 7 times एज ओल्ड एज यू वर देन, कि 7 साल पहले जो मेरी एज थी वो तुम्हारी एज से 7 गुना थी। एंड ऑल्सो 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ, अब से 3 साल बाद जो मेरी एज होगी वो तुम्हारी एज की 3 गुना होगी। सो जो स्टेटमेंट दी हुई है हमें उस स्टेटमेंट से इक्वेशन जनरेट करनी है। सबसे पहले हमें अलजेब्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है। अलजेब्रिकली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, अलजेब्रिकली मीन्स हमें गिवन सिचुएशन को फॉर्म करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेरिएबल्स एंड कॉन्स्टेंट्स। जब भी हम ये सिचुएशन जनरेट कर लेंगे अलजेब्रिकली, देन हमें क्या करना है, उसको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है कि सिचुएशन ग्राफिकली कैसी होगी वो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अलजेब्रिकली। सो सॉल्यूशन में हम अलजेब्रिकली करेंगे सबसे पहले। सो लेट आफ्ताब्स प्रेजेंट एज टू बी x years एंड डॉटर्स प्रेजेंट एज टू बी y years. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन 1, ATC means according to condition 1 we have given 7 years ago. So 7 years ago Aftab's age will be x minus 7 and here 7 years ago daughter's age will be y minus 7. So as the Aftab's age is 7 times the daughter's age, so we will multiply daughter's age with 7 so that they will become equal. The both relation become equal. So x minus 7 will be equals to 7 times of daughter's age, that is y minus 7. So open the bracket, x minus 7, here it will be 7y minus 49. 7 into y becomes 7y, and 7 into 7 become 49, and positive and negative become negative. So now transpose this term 7y to the left hand side, so this become x minus 7y, and this is minus 49, and this 7 will be transposed to the right hand side and become plus 7. So this will be x minus 7y equals to minus 42. So according to condition number 2 we have given 3 years from now, means अब से 3 साल बाद, means in future. So the relation will be x plus 3, means Aftab's age after 3 years will be equals to 3 times the age of daughters after 3 years, so that is y plus 3. So Aftab's age, that is x plus 3, is equals to 3 times of daughter's age, that is y plus 3. So this will be x plus 3 equals to 3y plus 9, or we can say x minus 3y equals to 9 minus 3, or this relation will be x minus 3y equals to 6. So here equation 1 and equation 2 represent the given situation algebraically. Now graphically. So now we have two equations, x minus 7y equals to minus 42 and x minus 3y equals to 6. So now from equation 1 we get y in terms of x, that is y equals to x plus 42. You can see from the relation 1 y will be x plus 42 upon 7. So give it equation number 3. Now draw the table of values corresponding to equation 3, that is y equals to x plus 42 upon 7. So put x equals to 0, then we will get 0 plus 42, that is 42 by 7 becomes 6. So first point will be 0 6, a 0 6. So now when x equals to minus 42, then y will be minus 42 plus 42 becomes 0 by 7 becomes 0. So second point, that is minus 42 0. So the next, if we put 42 as x, so put x is equal to 42, then 42 plus 42 becomes 84 by 7, this will be 12. So y will be 12. So C is 42 12. So take now equation number 2, that is x minus 3y equals to 6, or we can say y in terms of x will be x minus 6 by 3, and give it equation number 4. So now the draw table value corresponding to the equation number 4. So when x equals to 0, then y will be minus 6 upon 3, that will be minus 2, and when x is 6, you can see here x is 6, so put here 6, minus 6 will be 0, by 3 will be 0, and then 42. So 42 minus 6 become 36, 36 by 3 becomes 12. So we get as 3 points, D as 0 minus 2, and E as 6 0, and F as 42 12. So now plot these points, that those are A 06, B minus 42 0 and C 42 12 to get the line AB, and the points D 0 minus 2, E 6 0 and F 42 12 to get the line CD as shown in graph. You can see the graph of the lines AB and CD. Plot all the points. First one, plot A 06, that is here, as x is 0, so x will be on the y-axis, so this will be 06 on the y-axis. And next one is minus 42 0, that will be here, minus 42 0, so B will be minus 42 0, and then C, that is 42 12. So first of all we will see x as 42 and y is 12, so y will be 12 here, 42 12. So this is the line AB. First of all, this is line AB, and now for line CD we will plot the point 0 minus 2. So x is 0, that will be on y-axis, so x is 0 and y is minus 2, so this will be here 0 minus 2, you can see. And then E, that is 6 0, so E is here 6 0, sorry 6 0, that is here, E 6 0, so this is here. And F, that is 42 12, so 42 12 is here, that is same point. So now join these points, first of all ABC and then DEF, and we will get these two lines intersecting at each other at point C, or we can say F, as the common point is 42 12. So this is the graphical situation of the given situation. Next problem is question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 13,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically, or we can say geometrically. So सबसे पहले समझिए इस स्टेटमेंट को कि क्या हमें क्या गिवन है और क्या फाइंड आउट करना है। तो सबसे पहले इस स्टेटमेंट में बताया गया है कि 3 बैट्स और 6 बॉल्स का प्राइस जो है वो कितना है, 3900 रुपये है। क्या है, फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, सुनिए ध्यान से। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से कि 3 बैट्स और 6 बॉल्स का जो प्राइस है वो कितना है, 3900 है, मीन्स 3900 रुपये है। और बाद में क्या है कि एक बैट, देखिए सी बाइज अनदर बैट, मीन्स एक बैट और 3 बॉल्स का जो प्राइस है वो कितना है, 1300 है। सो हमें इस सिचुएशन को सबसे पहले एल्जेब्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है, देन ज्योमेट्रिकली और वी कैन से ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है। हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। एल्जेब्रिकली मीन्स हमें सिचुएशन को रिप्रेजेंट करना है वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट की फॉर्म में। जब इस सिचुएशन हम एल्जेब्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर लेंगे देन हम इसको ज्योमेट्रिकली और ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एल्जेब्रिकली। सो लेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए बैट बी रुपीज एक्स एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ बॉल बी रुपीज वाई। अब देखिए क्या है, एक बैट की कॉस्ट अगर एक्स रुपीज़ है और एक बॉल की कॉस्ट अगर वाई रुपीज़ है, देन 3 बैट्स की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी, ऑब्वियस है 3x होगी, और 6 बॉल की कितनी होगी, 6y होगी। सो टोटल हमें दे रखा है 3900 है। सो वी विल ऐड दीज 2 क्वांटिटीज, सो 3x प्लस 6y विल बी 3900। सो दिस इज कंडीशन नंबर 1। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन 1, this here we will have 3x plus 6y equals to 3900, or we can write, or we can represent the given situation again as x plus 2y equals to 1300. As we can see, 3 is the common factor to all terms, so we can divide this relation by 3, so we will get x plus 2y equals to 1300. So now according to condition 2, we have given the cost of one bat and 3 balls. So cost of one bat is rupees x and cost of 3 ball will be 3y, so x plus 3y will be equals to 1300. So this is equation number 2. So thus equation 1 and equation 2 represent the given situation algebraically. So now graphically or geometrically we have two equations, x plus 2y equals to 1300, first equation, and second equation we have x plus 3y equals to 1300. So now from equation 1, translate y in terms of x. So we will have y as in terms of x as 1300 minus x upon 2. So 1300 minus x upon 2 as y. So now draw table of values corresponding to equation number 3. So make 3 columns. In the first we have x, y and points, and second we will put the value of x and find the value of corresponding y and point Similarly in the next column, so first when x is 0, so put 0 here, and 1300 minus 0 by 2 becomes 650. So first point is A, 0, 650, and when we will put x as 1300 here, so 1300 minus 1300 becomes 0, by 2 will be 0. So next point B is 1300, 0. Similarly, now from equation number 2, we will convert y in terms of x, so y will be 1300 minus x upon 3. So draw the table of values corresponding to equation number 4. So we will get x and y equals to 1300 minus x by 3 and points here. So put x equals to 1000. So we will get 1300 minus 1000 by 3 will be 300 by 3, that will be 100. And when we will put x equals to 700 here, so this will be 1300 minus 700 becomes 600 by 3 will be 200. So we have 2 points as C as 1100 and D as 700, 200. So here in the C, x is 1000 and y is 100, and in D, x is 700 and y is 200. So now plot these points, that is A 0, 650 and B as 1300, 0 to get the line AB, and the point C, that is 1000 and 100, and D as 700 and 200 to get the line CD. Now you can see, first of all, draw x-axis and y-axis with equal divisions as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and so on. Similarly on the y-axis 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. And now plot these points, A as 0, 650. So as x is 0 and y is 650, so point A will be here, as this is 600 and this is 700. So this point will be 650. So x is 0 and y is 650 here. And B, that is 1300 and 0, so this is here, x is 1300, y is 0, so this point B is here. So now join AB and we will get the line x plus 2y equals to 1300. This is the first equation. So now plot point second, so point third, that is C, 1100. So here we have 1000 and 100 as here. So x is 1000 and y is 100, so this point will be here, this is C. And D is 700, 200. So x is 700 and y is 200. So this point is here. D is 700, 200 here. So now join these 2 points and we will get the line CD, as you can see from the graph. And these 2 lines will intersect each other at point B, that is 1300, 0. So this is the graphical representation of the given situation. This is all about question number 2. The next problem we have given question number 3 as the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. सबसे पहले में क्या देखिए, क्या गिवन है कि हमें गिवन है कि 2 किलो एप्पल्स का और 1 किलोग्राम जो ग्रेप्स है, आपके अंगूर हैं, उनका प्राइस कितना है, कॉस्ट कितना है उनका 160 रुपीज़ है. और एक महीने बाद क्या होता है कि 4 किलोग्राम सेब और 2 किलोग्राम अंगूर का प्राइस कितना हो जाता है, 300 रुपीज़ हो जाता है. तो सबसे पहले हमें इस गिवन सिचुएशन को एल्जेब्रिकली मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट शो करना है. जब भी हम एल्जेब्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर लेंगे देन उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, उसको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एल्जेब्रिकल सॉल्यूशन. सो एल्जेब्रिकली लेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स टू बी रुपीज़ एक्स and the cost of 1 kilogram of grapes to be rupees y. So 1 किलोग्राम एप्पल का प्राइस हमने मान लिया कि x रुपीज़ है और 1 किलोग्राम अंगूर का प्राइस कितना मान लिया हमने, रुपीज़ y है. So according to condition 1, that is ATC 1, we can say we have 2 kilogram apples. So price of cost of 2 kilogram apple will be 2x and cost of 1 kilogram grapes will be y. So 2x plus y equals to 160. This is the situation number 1. Or we can say condition number 1. And according to condition number 2, we have 4 kilogram of apples, so 4x, and plus 2 kilogram of grapes, that is 2y. So the cost of 4 kilogram apple will be 4x and cost of 2 kilogram grapes will be 2y. So total cost is 300. So this situation will be, this condition will be 4x plus 2y equals to 300. Or we can write 2x plus y equals to 150, as we can see 2 is common factor of all these terms. So 2x plus y equals to 150. So now thus equation number 1 and 2 represent the given situation algebraically. Now for graphically, we have two equations as 2x plus y equals to 160 and second equation as 2x plus y equals to 150. So now from equation 1, terms transform y as in terms of x. So y will be 160 minus 2x So give it equation number 3. So now draw table of values for equation number 3. So we will have x, y as 160 minus 2x and the points here. So put x as 80 in this relation. So 2 into 80 become 160. 160 minus 160 becomes 0. So when we will put x as 80, so y will be 0. So first point will be a as 80 0, and when x equals to 0 here, so y will be 160. So second point b is 0 and 160. So now from equation number 2, you can see from here we will have y as 150 minus 2x. So y will be 150 minus 2x, and equation number 4. So now draw the table of values for this equation. So we will have x and y as 150 minus 2x and here points. So when we put x equals to 75, so 2 into 75 become 150. 150 minus 150 becomes 0. So when we put x equals to 75, then y will be 0. So point will be C, 75 0. And when we will put x equals to 0 here, so 2 into 0 becomes 0, so y will be 150. So point D is 0 and 150. Keep in mind the first coordinate is always x and second coordinate is always y. So now plot these points A as 80 0, B as 0 160 to get the line AB, and C as 75 0 and D as 0 150 to get the line CD. Now in this graph you can see plot x-axis and y-axis with equal division as 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. You can change the division according to your scale requirement. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 and 300. So first of all, the plot point A as 80 0. So A is 80 0 here. A is 80 0 here. This point, this one point, this is right in the right hand side. And next point, that is B, is 0 160. So this is here. That is upper point. B is 0 160 here. So now join point line AB and we will get the equation of, we will get the line of the equation 2x plus y equals to 160. And now plot point C, that is 75 0. So 75 0. So y is 0, so C will lie on the x-axis. So this will be here 75 0. And D, that is 0 150. So as you can see, 0 150 lies here. So this lower point is D 0 150. So now join C and D to get the line or to get the graph of the equation for x plus 2y equals to 300. So this is the graphical representation of the given situation, and this is all about the exercise 3.1. If you learn from this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.